NordVPN is a well-known VPN provider that has been around for a while and is widely recognized as one of the best VPNs available, offering top-notch security and privacy features to help keep you safe and anonymous online. The VPN claims to be the best online VPN service for speed and security, but with tons of amazing VPN products out there, you might wonder if NordVPN truly deserves the bragging rights. During my tests, NordVPN proved to be an excellent choice for streaming, unblocking numerous platforms including Netflix, HBO Max, and several other popular streaming platforms. I was able to unblock most streaming sites with normal servers. Also, NordVPN provides a proprietary protocol known as NordLynx, which provided me with the fastest speeds during my tests. To test NordVPN's streaming capabilities, I tried accessing Netflix in different countries, including the US, Japan, Canada, and more. And I was honestly really impressed with the results, since NordVPN unblocked all of the Netflix library seamlessly and provided fast streaming speeds even on a distant server. Next, I tried unblocking Hulu, and yet again, it was a seamless process overall. All of the servers I tested worked really well, granting me access to Hulu shows as well as the entire add-on library. And that means I was able to stream live sports, including MLB games. After testing Hulu, I moved on to Disney+. I first connected to servers in Melbourne, Sydney, and Perth to access the Australian library. The server in Melbourne did cause some buffering, but I quickly resolved that issue by reloading the page. I then tested some servers in the US, and they all accessed Disney+ really easily. I was also able to unblock HBO Max and BBC iPlayer. Plus, I connected to 10 different servers in the US to access HBO Max content, including New York, Virginia, and San Francisco, and they all gave me access with no issues. Meanwhile, to bypass BBC's iPlayer restrictions, I connected to 12 different UK servers, and they all worked incredibly well. Now, the only platform that NordVPN failed to unblock in my tests was Sky Go. The streaming service seems to have improved its VPN detection technology because none of the UK servers that I tested were able to access it. If you want a VPN that can unblock all streaming sites hassle-free, I recommend ExpressVPN. So in conclusion, NordVPN offers impressive streaming capabilities and can unblock a wide range of platforms. While it may not grant access to every service, its performance and ease of use make it a solid choice for streaming enthusiasts. And you might be curious about how much NordVPN costs and whether it's worth the investment. Well, you can choose between 3 different tiers: the standard plan, which comes with the VPN, ad blocker, and malware protection; the plus plan, which adds the data breach scanner and secure password manager called NordPass; and lastly, you have the complete plan, which gets you all of the features in the plus plan, plus file encryption and 1 terabyte of encrypted cloud storage called NordLynx. Each tier offers 3 different options, which are 1 month, 1 year, and 2-year plans. And as with most VPN providers, the longer the plan, the more cost-effective it becomes. Also, all plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try NordVPN risk-free, see what you think, and see if it is a good fit for you. And again, NordVPN offers a variety of payment options, including all major credit cards, PayPal, Amazon Pay, Union Pay, and of course, cryptocurrencies, which we discussed earlier. Remember, you can take advantage of better pricing for NordVPN by clicking on the link in our description box down below. So now comes the big final question: is NordVPN actually worth it? NordVPN's streaming capabilities, server network, security, and privacy features all combine to create a robust, reliable VPN service. Its ability to unblock numerous streaming platforms, impressive server coverage, top-notch security measures, and commitment to user privacy makes it a strong contender in the VPN market. Although it's not the cheapest option on the market, NordVPN's pricing is still quite reasonable considering the value that it offers you. I've provided a direct link down in the description box below for the most attractive offer right now, which may not always be visible on the main NordVPN website, so again, definitely use that link down below. And by doing so, you'll ensure that you are getting the best available offer and you will help support making this content. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you did get value out of this content, and if you did, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below to let us know what you think about NordVPN.